In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from a Visa gift card to PayPal. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First of all, I'm going to teach you how to do this process on the PayPal website. So what you have to do is open up the website and sign into the account where you will be inputting the Visa gift card as a payment method. Now, before I start, I want to make some quick disclaimers. First of all, PayPal works sometimes when you try to link a Visa gift card. For some specific Visa gift cards, you will be able to follow the instructions I'm showing you on screen and select Link a Card in order to link the Visa gift card to PayPal. If you try to follow through the steps I'm showing you on screen and it gives you some error, maybe it doesn't accept or it tells you that it's an invalid payment method, there is nothing you can do, and sadly the Visa gift card will not work to be transferred to PayPal. Usually this is the case with vanilla Visa gift cards, but all you have to do is try to add it to your account, and as long as it appears under the payment methods as you can see over here on your wallet, you will be able to transfer the money to PayPal. If the Visa gift card was accepted as a payment method, what you have to do now is go over to the Send and Request tab, and you will be able to input the name of the person you are sending the money to. Now, if you want to send the money to yourself, you will need to have a secondary PayPal account and input the Visa gift card in there instead as a payment method. If you want to transfer it to someone else, all you have to do is include their PayPal name over here, and when you get asked how you want to pay, select the Visa gift card that you added to your account as a payment method. Input the amount of money that is in the gift card and you will be able to send the money to someone else or to yourself by using a secondary account. Like I said, this is a workaround, so there are various limitations, but as long as your Visa gift card is accepted, you will be able to make the transfer. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer money from a Visa gift card to PayPal. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.